There is this old image of the prison officer being the old, a thug or whatever, but it's not like that. Do you know, we're exactly the same as everybody else, and this is a community the same as it is outside. My name is Susan Foley. I'm an Assistant Chief Officer here in Mountjoy Prison. I do the same job as my male colleagues. There are certain things I can't do. I can't be present when prisoners are being searched. But other than that, I would have done that while I worked in the women's prison. We do everything. We do the same thing. We bring something different than male officers bring to the job. We have a tendency to de-escalate situations. Maybe sometimes we can be responsible for escalating them because they don't like female officers, but on the whole, we do the same thing as the guys do. I work on committals and discharges, so any person coming into custody meets me first, and we process them before they come into the jail. We take all their information, we inform them why they're here, we go through the warrant, and then they're brought into the prison and they go through the process then. And equally, when somebody's going out, I'm the last person they see besides the gate officer. We're behind this big grey wall and nobody knows what goes on inside a prison, because once somebody comes into custody, as far as anybody outside has seen, they've heard it in the newspapers about what they've done, they've seen the courts outside and everybody talking about what happened and how the guards made the arrest, and then that's it, they're gone to prison and nobody knows what happens after that. So there is this old image of the prison officer being the old, a thug or whatever, but it's not like that. Do you know, we're exactly the same as everybody else, and this is a community the same as it is outside. It's a great job, it's challenging, it's not for everybody, but it is a fabulous job. If you want something different every day, as long as you can come in that gate with a sense of humour, and when you go out that gate in the evening, you leave the job behind you, then you'll enjoy the job, without a doubt.